Today we're going to take a look at what Mori the Millionaire's most recent trade has been in Tesla. Back in October, he bought 100 calls at 45. Price then dropped down to $20, so he lost half of his investment. But he diamond-handed his position and watched it go from $20.55 in November to into December, where it hit 120. The stock took off, and this 800 call hit a high of 258. It's now trading at 186. So right now he's up 4 times his original investment of 500,000. So he's up approximately $2 million on this trade in this Tesla 800 call for September.